Here with old Doug.
And I'm handcuffed today, you see. And I taught him how to wear handcuffs. I better break my hands.
Well,
Probably, but what I'm trying to say is I'm going to break out of handcuffs today.
old Doug's gonna break out of handcuffs, but he don't want to hurt his arms, so he put toilet paper around them.
It would definitely work.
It will not work, but you know.
It helps. And I'll look at the sun of the body.
Let's get over this way and explain how you're gonna do this, because I don't think you're getting out of them.
Now, you're going to apply pressure. It's like, bam! And it's like, wow. And the same should snap out. Ready?
And these are old model handcuffs and not like the new ones that are connected.
I got new ones. I'm going to get out of them. And these, I'll shot.
Old Doug's playing with handcuffs again, everybody.
Ready?
Let's go. Well, I guess that's one way to get out of handcuffs.
Yeah, break and fly out. I take it off.
Old Doug's trying to slip through them. Because old Doug's trying to slip through them here. I don't know if he's going to get out. He didn't break them. He unhatched it. Now he's trying to squeeze. Oh, there we go. Old Doug squeezed his hand through.
I can't break the thing now. Fly out.
Old Doug cannot break these cuffs.
It's just 5 minutes more than it goes.
That's the video.